Listen and speak along with me and then repeat. Let's practice together. Leave school. I leave school at 5 p.m. every day. Have lunch. We usually have lunch together. Take a nap. I usually take a nap after lunch. Have a snack. Children usually have a snack in the evening. Do homework. Your child always waits until the last minute to do homework. Take out garbage. Don't forget to take out garbage. Water the plants. You only need to water the plants every day. Feed the dog. We feed our dog 3 times a day. Play with friends. Today I played with my friends. Walk the dog. I often take a walk with my dog in the evening. Go for a walk. Let's go for a walk in the park. Go shopping. I have to go shopping this afternoon. Hanging out with friends. I like hanging out with friends. Read a book. I always read a book before sleeping. Read newspaper. My father reads newspaper in the morning. Surf the net. She is going to eat fast food and surf the net. Cook dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. Have dinner. We usually have dinner at 9 p.m. Take a shower. I usually take a shower before going to bed. Go to bed. I think I'll go to bed early tonight. Read a book. I always read a book before sleeping. Fall asleep. She fell asleep instantly. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you for watching.